Hello guys! Today we're going to be doing a Unity tutorial. It's a tutorial on how to make really simple walk. And before I start, I just want to say that this may be very simple, but it doesn't mean it's the best kind of walking script. There are many other walking scripts that are way better. I'm just showing one that's not too complicated. So what we're going to do is open up Unity. Now, last video this took so long. Hopefully it doesn't today. We're gonna make a new project. Why is my mouse doing that? And we're gonna call it, you can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it Move Script. That's the worst name for a project ever, but I don't care. So we're gonna make it 3D and we're gonna create a project. So what we're gonna do is first create a 3D object. It's gonna be a cube. And now we're gonna scale it. Let's make it really big. X 100. Y, oh no, not Y. Y stays 1 and Z 100. So now we're gonna name this ground. Wait. Ground. And now we're gonna make another 3D object. Another cube. Let's raise it up there. And now let's make a material. That material is gonna be called player. And now we could change the color. I want my player to be red, so I'm gonna make him red. So I'm gonna drag the material over here to the player, and now he's red. So now I'm gonna create a C# script by going over here to create and going to C# script. Now we're gonna name this simple player. Oops, no spaces. Player movement. Okay, now we're gonna double click on it to open it up. I use Visual Studio to code. You can use whatever you want. Personally, I recommend Visual Studios because I use it, but it works on anything. So this is very simple. All we have to do is go to void update and make an if statement. We're gonna say if input dot get key. Now you can put get key down, but then you have to keep on pressing the key for it to move. You can't just hold it. You keep on having to press it, and we don't want that. So we're just gonna say input.get key. Then we're gonna say whatever key you want to move forward. I'm just gonna use W. And then now, oopsie. Now this is a simple line of code. All we do is put transform dot position. Transform dot position equals time dot delta time times new vector 3 times new vector 3. Then you could put how you want it to move. But since we want it to move forward, we're gonna put 0, 0, 4. Because this 0 is the X, this 0 is to Y, and this 0 is to Z. So transform.position equals time dot delta time times new vector 3 0 0 4. That sounds about right. So now we're gonna end it off with a semicolon and we're gonna save. So now, oops, there's an error. As they spell transform wrong. Sorry. So there shouldn't be any more errors. And when you press start, as you can see, oh, nothing happens because we haven't added the script to the player yet. So we're gonna drag this script over here to the player, and now we're gonna press start. And now whenever we press W, I forgot to do something. Right now our player doesn't move and he got sent through the ground. That's because I've got to add a plus sign right here. Right now, whenever we click the key W, it sets the player's position to this. But we need it to add that position every time. We need it to change by 4 every time we press W. So to fix this, all we gotta do is put a plus sign behind the equal sign. So now, whenever we press play, this should work. We press W and our character moves. But we haven't coded anything for our character to move back. And instead of rewriting all that script, we could just simply copy and paste it and then change the values. So paste, you copy and paste it, and then let's say we wanted to move back. So I'm gonna use the key S, and I'm change this to -4. Now let's make it so it can move left and right. Let's copy and paste it. I'm gonna make the right, to make it go right, I want them to press D. So then we turn the Z to 0 and we turn the X to 4. It doesn't have to be 4, it could be whatever you want. But for my type of game, I want to use 4. So now we copy and paste it again. Oopsie. Copy and paste. Now we're gonna use A. I'm gonna change the values, and X is gonna be -4. So now let's see if this works. So now the character, you can move it all around. Now, I'm not saying this is the best script for movement. It's actually really bad, but this is the simplest. I mean, it's okay. If you want to make a game with more detail, this is just a simple script. I would probably make a tutorial on how to make better movement in the future. But right now, I'm just gonna stick to simple things in my channel because I don't want to get myself deeper into this hole I'm making. So yeah, that was the tutorial. Hopefully it worked for you. If it didn't work, then leave questions in the comments and I'll try to help you. So I hope you liked it. Next video, I'll try to make next video a tutorial on how to make a camera follow script. So stay tuned for that. And bye!